Hey everyone, I have a video for you today showing you what I wore in Las Vegas. I filmed this before I left, and I have also filmed a what I packed in Las Vegas, which I will link in a card above right now for you. But if you'd like to see what I wore and how those outfits look on me, then just keep watching. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video, and if you do like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would be great, and I hope you enjoy this video. Get ready and let's go.